Hey there, what's going on? My name is Matt, and this is Stock Speedrun number 2 for the weekend of February 12th, 2022. If you are unfamiliar with what a stock speedrun is, you can check this video's description for an explanation and a disclaimer as to its content. Now, the first 3 runs this weekend are requests from a friend of mine as opposed to being chosen randomly, so the second one we have on the docket is ticker PLNT. Check it out. And, of course, it's Planet Fitness. Something I knew already, but that doesn't mean I know anything about the company per se, or its finances, or nothing, so let's go ahead and delve into it and see what's going on here. First thing I see is this very interesting article here saying that it acquired something called Sunshine Fitness and refinancing transaction. I want to see that. What's this about? Its previously announced acquisition of Sunshine Fitness Growth Holdings. It acquired another gym? Was the first franchisee in the Planet Fitness system and has been backed by TSG Consumer Partners since 2017. Oh, so it was kind of it was in the system already, they just decided to buy them out effectively, it seems like. Now combined into the Planet Fitness company-owned portfolio, which is... Okay, so instead of being franchised, they are now corporately owned. They are company-owned. Okay, that's not really... I wouldn't really describe... I don't really think an acquisition is the correct term for that, but okay, whatever. This sounds like clickbait. This sounds like a clickbait article. Will now serve as president. Wow, many brands are retracting. We believe there's tremendous long-term untapped opportunity for our brand to help people begin to deserve it. So I guess... Well, actually, yeah. Like, it's not just a it's not just a corporate restructuring of some franchise places. It's also bringing it under the corporate umbrella, and that includes renaming it also, I assume. These are not going to be Sunshine Fitnesses anymore, these are going to be Planet Fitnesses. Is that better, though? Because I wonder what kind of reputation Sunshine Fitness has, that Planet Fitness thinks that it has a better reputation as, because I gotta tell you, Planet Fitness, as far as I understand it, at least a couple years ago, did not have a good reputation. I remember back when they had, do they still have the thing called the Lunk Alarm? I remember that, like, I remember seeing the commercials for that, and like, there's no way that's a real thing. That sounds like complete madness. But no, it was a real thing, and I heard a lot of people online complaining about it, that this gym is completely ridiculous. You can't even work out properly because people complain about you using weights. They complain about you being there to do gym stuff. Like, what? That's completely ridiculous. Then again, I haven't seen commercials like that that highlight those features of Planet Fitness recently, so maybe they've moved away from that. They realized that it wasn't all that great for their business model, for their customer base. So maybe the stigma of the brand is not as it once was, but I haven't really paid much attention to it since then. Anyway, let's see what else we got here. Convert, gains but lags market, what you should know. I'll check that one out later, maybe. Fourth quarter 2021 results. Yes, I want to see this, please. Oh, no, that's announcing when it's going to happen on February 24th. Ooh, so earnings are coming up soon. Are you a good earnings or a bad earning? That is yet to be seen. Actually, this chart actually isn't bad. Aside from the March 2020 dip, it has a pretty solid pattern of going up. Even coming out of that dip, it never really had a big drop. It had this, that was 2020 volatility. I won't really dock it much for that. But after that, up, not really down, kind of just stagnates sideways, and then up a little bit more. Chart's actually pretty darn impressive, to be honest. Which I did not expect. I expected a lot of volatility out of this, but I guess not. Would you look at that? Okay. Very interesting. What else did I want to see here? Something I noticed here for 20... Oh, wait, where's 2021? Uh-oh, Yahoo's fucking up the charts again. Well, let me look at the quarterly. The third quarter, 140, 124... 140, 124, 100, 363. Okay, so these, it seems like these quarters are summed up in here, but then where does this negative earnings come from? Because the earnings for these 3 quarters are all positive. Where does it get minus 14.99 come from? I think this entire chart is just fucked because Yahoo's stupid. Okay. What the hell is all-day acquisition and why am I getting news about it? Get out of here. Joining Bradshaw Road Retail Center? Why? That's such a weird random article about some stupid local retail center. Or is like Bradford Roads like something that is like famous? I mean, I ain't never heard of it. So. Does smart money get Planet Fitness right? Not smart money, but quote-unquote smart money. I mean, who really decides if you're smart money, right? Hedge funds generally strong adjusted returns over the long run. 40 hedge funds for flows at the end of quarter 3. All-time signal was for 47. Still pretty good. 40's still pretty high. Change from 18%. Monkey were bullish on the stock. Change from 18%. Okay. Gains as market dips. Also, I see articles here about transactions of Hexagon Capital and transactions of Lasanti Capital. Are they buying, selling, or holding Peloton? No, not Peloton. What's this called again? I almost called it Peloton. This is not Peloton. I got confused. Because I saw this Peloton article. Where is it? There was I swear. There was right here. I saw Peloton article and then I got Peloton in the brain and I got confused. Which is not difficult to do. Confusing me. PLNT. Ooh, they didn't like it. They sold out. Interesting. What about Lasanti? PLNT. They added, very interesting, 2 different capital funds going in somewhat different directions for Planet Fitness. Very interesting. Day-to-day shares of fitness operator looking for positivity from Planet Fitness that approaches next earnings. Yeah, you know, making this call 24th. What's today? Today's the 12th. When's 24th? 24th is not this coming Thursday, but the following Thursday. Kind of difficult to make a call on something this close to earnings, but hey, if I have to, I have to. Looking for positivity on that day. Planet Fitness projected to report earnings of 26% per share. How does that align? Yeah, you're asking it to be higher than the last 4 quarters. A tall ask, but then again, that's where yeah. I wonder why. Year-over-year growth of why are you expecting that much? Might have recent notice. I wish there was an explanation. It just says, hey, we're projecting this. Well, okay, why? Hey, that's for us to know, for you to find out, buddy. Wait, well, why don't you go, hey, who's asking questions around here? You can get yourself hurt doing that. Currently on the Zax rank 3 of hold, okay. Let's see, what else? What else can I see here? Pattern and... Wait, pattern? No, patent. Patent and patent. Good old Patent Brothers. Maybe that's what that means, I don't know. So yeah, they are a fitness, franchise, operates fitness centers and Planet Fitness brand. It operates through 3 segments: franchise, which is what that Sunshine was, but now they bought it out and it's under corporately owned, and equipment. They sell equipment? Oh, I didn't know they had their own line of fitness equipment. Very interesting. Oh no, not for private sale, but to franchise-owned store. Wait. 2 franchise-owned stores. Okay, so it's not like you'll walk into what's a sport? Do they sell home workout gyms in something like Dick's? I think they do. So you're not going to walk into a Dick's and find Planet Fitness equipment for sale. No. They sell their own equipment to their own franchises. 2,170 stores in 50 states. Puerto Rico, Canada, Panama, Mexico, Australia. I suddenly had a urge to sing the Animaniacs Countries of the World song, but I will not torture you with that. Where is PLNT in here? They added positions. Okay, so Patton liked it. Price is 900 million securitized financing. Not via debt offer. Can't replace the in-studio experience. I don't care what Peloton's doing. It's not what I'm looking at. Planet CEO flexes. Oh, I see what you did there. Zero gym closes. Pandemic battered industry. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I think I heard about that. He was bragging about zero gym closures. Is that a good thing, though? Is that a good thing to brag about? Because think about it. At the height of 2020, at the height of COVID, who was going to a gym? Who was going to an in-person gym, even if they were open? So what that means, if they're open, then they're just sitting there wasting money with no customers. So is that necessarily good? I'm just saying we lost no gyms in the pandemic. Forced to file for bankruptcy. Huh. Okay, I guess. Let's see. What do I want to look up? I really can't think of anything that I want to Google, to be honest. See what people are saying in conversations. Peloton down due to suspended. Yeah, I kind of agree. As Peloton goes down, I would expect in-person gyms like Planet Fitness to do better. Is a dumpy fitness center in shady locations. Who buys this dog? Now that's kind of the reputation I had of them a couple years ago. Probably who have never. This is probably my most favorite thing I've ever seen on these chat boards. Fat cat institutional fund managers, probably who've never visited a gym before. I like you, Keith. You're a cool fella. Humans are social beings and obviously prefer exercising in sweaty gyms. I mean, not when you say it that way, but I guess I kind of agree. Exercise thoughts, great market. People go to the gym. But the highs been a little. I mean, yeah, people are gonna go to the gym. Fundraise via offering COVID causing problems. Is that what the $900 million debt offering is about? I wanna read about that. Planet Fitness debt offering. Because did they specifically say that it was due to COVID losses? Because that could be tied back into what I was talking about. Where having zero closures isn't necessarily a good thing. Here's two tranches. Okay. Price $900 million of Series 2021 Class A2. What the fuck does this mean? Fixed rate senior secured notes. You see, this is you start to get into the stuff that I'm not as knowledgeable about as I should be. Series consists of two tranches. Principal amount. Class A22? What does this even... What are you even talking about? What the hell is Class A22? The two with an anticipated repayment term of 5 years, aggregate principal amount, fixed rate. Are these like bonds where they pay you out over time? This is repayment term of 5 years. Is that like a 5-year bond on this company? Fixed interest rate 3.251 per quarterly. Planet Fitness Master Issuer. Limited purpose bankruptcy remote indirect subsidiary of Planet Fitness. Is a portion of the net proceeds for the repayment in full of approximately... Okay. I don't know. That started to become all French to me by the end. So buy, sell, or hold. What do I think of this? I want to get... You know, just based on the company, I probably would say a hold. Because, okay, a few things. I usually don't put too much weight in what people in the conversation section say because they're just some randos on the internet, but they seem to be reflecting sentiments that I had about this company a couple years ago. Or rather, the impressions that I had about this company. So if they're saying that, I wonder if those impressions actually exist, and even though I haven't been paying attention to it much these last couple years, it hasn't really changed. Okay, and also, the earnings and the revenues are not as impressive as I would like, and I am concerned about that expectation for the following quarter in 2 weeks. But on the flip side, the reason why I will probably hit this buy button is because, despite all those things, I am very impressed by the chart action. I would not expect a gym, an in-person, you know, very simple gym, to have a chart like that. So I was impressed by that. And unless it completely shits all over itself with these upcoming earnings, I don't really see a reason why it would stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that buy button. It's not necessarily like a super strong buy, you know, but it's a buy, you know, it's a buy. So that's kind of my sentiment about the whole Planet Fitness situation. So yeah, if you think differently, please let me know. If you think I'm a dumbass, please let me know. If you think I'm a genius, please let me know, although that's highly unlikely. Yeah, and I'll catch you in the next one.